In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay payroll taxes in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to review, and how to submit payments confidently in both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. Let's start in QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in, head to the left-hand menu and open Payroll. This is your hub for everything payroll related. From there, go to Taxes and choose Payroll Tax. You'll land on a page that summarizes what's due by agency. You should see your federal items for the IRS, any state payroll taxes, and local taxes if they apply to your business. Take a moment to review the due dates and amounts for each item. It's a good idea to confirm the filing period shown matches the payrolls you've already run and that nothing looks out of the ordinary. If something seems off, pause and double check your recent payrolls before submitting a payment. When you're ready to pay, click Pay next to the specific tax you want to handle. A detail screen will open so you can confirm the agency, the tax period, and the payment amount. Select the correct bank account you want to fund the payment from. Also verify the payment date, especially if you're scheduling ahead to meet a due date. Once everything looks right, click Submit Payment. QuickBooks will process the request and give you a confirmation message. Back on the taxes page, you'll see the status update to scheduled if it's set for a future date, or paid if it's been completed. You can return to this area later to view the payment record or save the confirmation for your files. Now, if you use QuickBooks Desktop Payroll, the flow is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Open QuickBooks Desktop, go to the top menu, and choose Employees, then open the Payroll Center. In the Payroll Center, move to the Pay Liabilities tab. You'll see your payroll tax liabilities listed there. Select the item you want to pay and verify the amount and due date so you know you're covering the right period. Click View/Pay to begin the payment. If you're enrolled in electronic payments, choose ePay and follow the prompts to submit. If you're not enrolled, you can create a check to mail manually. When you're finished, choose Save and Close to confirm and record the payment. Be sure to keep any confirmations or printed checks with your payroll records. That's it. With a quick review and a few clicks, you can keep your payroll taxes up to date in QuickBooks.